What up, Magg&R family?
It's your girl Mag.
It's Rosh.
We're back with another reaction video.
Let them know what we got today.
Today we got Primus. The title of this is called Jerry Was a Race Car Driver. First time checking him out on the channel.
But look, man, we drop multiple new videos back to back every single day. So if there are any other videos that y'all want to see us react to on the channel, drop them things down in the comments.
But look, man, if you're new to the channel, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel.
But look, man, let's get to this video.
Nachos.
Nachos.
It was really nachos right there, too.
Yeah.
Steamy.
What did he say when he first
Something
came
was
on?
a race car driver.
Oh, okay. Jerry was a race
Car driver.
He said it heck of fast.
He said it quick.
I didn't understand nothing he said. I'm like, whoa.
Jerry was a race car driver. He drove so goddamn fast. Never did win no checkered flags, but it never did come in last. Jerry was a race car driver. He'd say, "Elzop number one." With a bull seeping sticker on a 442, he'd light him up just for fun. Made him retire at the age of 65.
His face expressions and stuff and how he moving. Hey, give me like an energy into
this is a good video right here.
This is a good video. Got me like
it got you moving, huh?
Yeah.
You see how they jumping all in the
crowds and stuff?
It's
they
like,
going crazy, like they lit in
here. It's like the fans is getting on the stage just to jump in onto the crowd to crowd surf. And when they do jump into the crowd and they crowd surf, it's like the crowd is throwing them in the air, flipping them.
Yeah.
And making them do all type of flips. Like, that's crazy.
That
Jerry was a race car driver. No, 22 years old. Hey, I like his rhythm. I like the sound, don't he?
Yeah, he tight. Good.
He tight, man. Shout out Primus. Or if it's his name, like individually,
either group name or his name. Yeah, I wonder.
Could y'all let us know in the comments if that's the group name? Because this is a good song right here.
Jerry was a race car driver, 22 years old. One too many co-bars one night, wrapped himself around a telephone pole.
Dropped his whole nachos though.
The dog was eating it.
The dog was like, "Yep, this me."
Hey, that was tight how they had the stuff floating around all in the nacho cheese and stuff.
Yeah,
that was tight. But this
was different. That was tight.
This was a good video, good song.
It gave me like a rock rapping type of
mix, all
mixed in one. Yeah.
Yeah, but this was tight, man. I like the rhythm. I like the pace. For sure, got to check out more of his songs. Because this is the first time we checked him out.
Like,
first time I ever heard of
him. Yeah, I never heard of him.
But his pace, Jerry was a race car driver, 22 years old.
He was going.
How he did his voice was just tight to me. This is a good video. But look, man, if there are any other videos that y'all want to see us react to on the channel, man, just drop them things down in the comments. But look, man, if y'all new to our channel, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. But look, man, we catch y'all in the next video.